So yesterday we spoke about, we started talking about unity, and we used the orchestra analogy and the harmony around that, and you were probably guessing it at some point we were going to come back to identity, and so today I want to touch a little bit on that. When you look at that orchestra, let's talk again about the unity and the harmony that flows when everyone plays together. That orchestra is again not made up out of just violin players. So again, we said what unity is not. It's not conformity. Unity is building together different things. But therefore, it's also important to understand what does that mean for me. First and foremost, it needs to be something that I understand that I have been called. I am a violin player. I am a pianist. I am a drummer. I am whatever. And that's my role in that orchestra. And if I've been called to be the pianist or the drummer, then if I'm going to go and try and pick up the violin, because that sounds cool, or because everyone tells me that's the way I should look, I'm going to mess this up. Maybe I can eventually learn how to become, a great violin player. But the problem is that who's going to play the drum if I'm not fulfilling that role? And so again, it comes back to understanding who we are. Understanding who we are also comes back immediately to understanding whose we are. And in the whole process of unity, this is a very, very important part, because I think that's where you miss it so easily. If I know who I am, I'm a beloved son of the Most High God. I understand that. Whose I am, it means I am God's. I belong to Him. I'm His. He's Abba to me. He is that precious relationship. And if I understand that, then I understand that I've been called to love. I've been called to live a part of a harmony. I've not been called to live playing just one instrument. And now, when I understand this, I start understanding perhaps a little bit better of where this whole thing of unity is going towards. I can maybe start unpacking this better and thinking, okay, I have a role to play here because I know who I am, I know whose I am, and therefore I can start understanding what is my role. We spoke about a mission a while back, and again, this fits into that. So laying a foundation for unity actually comes with this, comes with an understanding of what it means, understanding of who I am and whose I am, and therefore what my role is. And from there on, I can roll it out.